How come you're the only one answering? What's the next? Vishal? What's next here?
Resources. Effects.
Effects. Okay. Symptom causes. This is Robert. Again, this guy is this is usually used for problem solving and also for getting some specific outcomes that you want. And to do a lot of to think things through quantum thinking, in the sense that you think in different parallels. Now this will be the background through which you will do your well-formed outcome. This is the model or the format or the hardware. I'm sorry, it's like you need to have a Windows before you install your Office, right? So it's something like that. You need to have the score model. Just install first and then you can install the well-formed outcome. Symptoms. So for example, if it could be, you can utilize any context, okay? You're in the office, or you're in coaching, therapy, teaching, whatever is the context you want. Whenever you identify a problem, take them through the stages. You can actually walk them into the symptoms. Okay? Once you identify symptoms, you can go to causes. After that, you can go to outcomes, and from there, come up with ideas, thoughts, principles, strategies, steps, whatever it is that comes to your thought. And then resources. Effects. What will happen is your mind will be bombarded with those things as you go there. Right? You will tend to meditate, you will do a lot of thinking there. Now it's like this. It's like we have your present state is your stuck state. Stuck state, okay? This is where you find this symptom causes, right? And this here is your outcome, right? And to reach from here, A, which is your present state, B, your outcome, what do you need to go from here to here? Resources. Alright, so we have symptoms here and causes here. What happens? Effects is not just, where would effects be?
When it goes to the outcome will be the effect of the process.
Not necessarily here. Okay? What Robert Gibbs means is, once we have the outcome, what would that do for you? So that's the
post effect.
You're getting it? Let's say you have that outcome and you have that $5 million or something like that. That's your outcome, right? But in that position, what are the possibilities that are opening up for you because of that? Yeah, those are the effects. Because many times we only want outcome, but we don't know what are the possibilities that actually opens up once we have it. Many possibilities. Alright? So this is one where you can actually do problem solving, you can do, right? And you can walk through this one steps, and then what are the symptoms that I have now? I don't have clients or whatever it is. Huh? What are the causes? What are the causes? I don't have clients possibilities? No money, no capital. What else? No profit.
Economy is bad.
Economy is bad.
No awareness to people. No repaying the person. They are not aware.
I'll go back again. You guys are not coming out to that. Imagine this out here. I'm staying here. There are symptoms very clear. I don't have clients.
You don't have clients.
Yeah, clients. I'm a coach, I'm a trainer, I'm a therapist, I'm a psychologist with clinical, whatever it is. I don't have clients. Those are symptoms, very clear.
Okay.
And I need to know why. Causes. What are the causes?
You're not good, maybe you're not.
I'm not able to reach
not
properly.
very good at not
Maybe
so
you're
good.
not able to
Maybe
reach
you're not competent.
Competent.
Maybe you are not aware of others. See, let's say I'm competent, so I'm
Maybe there are others better than you.
Yeah,
So are you
Competition.
maybe not.
Maybe it's not an interesting
Maybe you're not
subject or
reaching.
course. Maybe in the
Maybe
case that
communication is not up to the mark.
maybe
You are not
problems.
well, you are not
Place. Are you marketing yourself?
Yeah,
people
I
are
want
not
to
aware about.
Okay?
You're not aware about
I
others.
wanted to bring that up. In this case, we're talking about business.
Yes.
So in business, even if you have the best skills, you're the best person on the planet.
Yes.
There's something called marketing that bridges you and the client. They don't know you, you're nothing.
Yes.
True.
Alright. So this way, causes when I'm here. I know marketing is important. Let's say I assume that. What else? What next?
But whatever it is that you're offering to your client, maybe there is not much need in that locality or the geographic region.
That's good. Also possible. Yeah. Possible.
So do you have a marketing plan?
Yes, we have marketing plan. How many people are you reaching out? So what is happening is causes you're trying to drill out. By the way, when you step here, once you identify your specific problem, you'll know things to believe. You know it. So once you know it's marketing, then you can find out what's the things that you're not doing in marketing, right? So that you can start doing it. How many people I need to do? What are the things I need to do in marketing? What are the things that goes from marketing to selling and then conversion and then having those clients that I need, right? So I can, after resources is what? I'm sorry, I can walk back and forth, okay? Now, since I don't have the clear picture, I can go to outcome first also.
Yes.
Okay? I can go and see outcome.
This is the
I
outcome
need,
of your-
in 1 month, I need 9 clients. I need 9 clients. Let's say, okay? So I'm standing here 9 clients. So what will happen? I need to have a plan, right? How many people do I need to know? How many emails I've got to send? And what are the plans for the sites I need to put it?
Pull the person towards you.
Right? And
Which area are you concentrating?
Yes. What are the demographic, geographic, or whatever it is group that I need to target?
Who are the people who can refer me more clients?
Yes. So possibilities, ranges of possibilities will start coming out. So after outcome is what? Resources.
Yes.
What are the resources I need?
Yes. The manpower.
Little bit of manpower, little bit of capital, little bit of
Advertising. People through
Yeah.
Internet.
and then
The modes of marketing.
modes of marketing, strategies and strategies,
Strategies.
and how I will actually do it,
Execution.
execution of those things. Apart from that, I also need apart from all of these outside resources, I also need my internal resources.
Resources. Yes.
Very important.
Yeah.
I can dream big, I can talk big, I can do a lot of work. Actually, as I wake up in the morning, I'm like, I know how to manage my state. Remember, the quality of your life depends on the quality of your
States.
state. Which position is that?
So repeat the line, sir. The quality of the
Quality of your life
quality of your life.
depends on the quality of the state.
Yes.
The quality of your outcome depends on the quality of your resource. The quality of your outcome depends on the quality of your external and internal resources. Internal in the sense of being able to get knocked down and bounce back from that, resilient, and be able to not go grouchy, tension, nothing working well. Got to be able to just put myself up in a mood all the time. You with me? Aren't there times when you just feel like it's wasting your time, just laying out for weeks and you don't do anything? Right? Because you tend to waste weeks, even months like that. don't have that state management. Right? So this is very important. What next?
Effects.
Resources, and then, okay, let's go back to the outcome. Outcome is what? I need how many? 9 clients.
9 times.
If I get 9 clients, alright, this is what? Outcome. What will happen if I get 9 clients?
Effects. Money.
So I have to think, money, yeah, dollars, green. What are the other possibilities? I might be able to do that, I might be able to buy that, I might be able to support that cost, I might be able to do this. You know, those things, possibilities are the effects.
More business because those money will again
So you have a wide range of what you call possibilities opening up when you go through all the steps from starting from. We actually can do this one, but then I just want you to just know it so that we can do it at home, we can do it whenever you want, alright? And just put it as a blueprint in your head, alright? Anytime you have a problem, just walk through this scope and then carry it over whatever it is, and then write it down. You can jump back and forth, move back and forth. Okay?
This question, outcome comes before resource?
This one?
Outcome. You use that outcome here.
Those. Which one here? See,
Where it's okay. In example, you brought outcome before resource.
before resource, right? Before resource, outcome I go.
Yes.
Yes. Because it's also important for me to see the end before I can even work on the resource. Do I need 2 manpower, 2 people to handle my this thing, or do I need 3, do I need 4, right?
Okay. What exactly I want accordingly I arrange.
Because if I don't see the end picture, I won't. Do I need 10,000, do I need 50,000, do I need 1 lakh, do I need 5 lakhs, whatever it is, based on the end picture.
You are reading 7 habits. This is the very first part.
Begin
Begin with the end in the mind.
End in the mind.
The idea.
Begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in the mind.
Sometimes, if you begin with the end in mind, you will know how to backtrack. Forget about the score model. Just let's leave that aside. Let's say this is my outcome, 9 clients. How do I actually, from that position of 0 clients, I can attain 9 clients? Just what will happen exactly just before I get 9 clients? What needs to actually happen for me, just before I can get 9 clients? So when I backtrack, I will have ideas of how to do that. And I can put those things in my timeline. Alright? And strategies and steps and actions and whatever resources I need from this 0 position for me to go and feel cheaper. You with me on this? So that I can reach my outcome. Clear?
Clear.
Alright. This will be the backdrop, the background before you do something called the well-formed outcome. This is the foreground. It's a method program, okay? I'll just mention foreground, background. We will now background the score model and we will foreground the well-formed outcome so that behind the scene, the score model will start operating. Alright? In the foreground, we will work with the 10 steps or 10 areas through which we can do a well-formed outcome. With me? Alright. Quickly. Number 1, it's like a SMART goal. How many of you know SMART goal? S-M-A-R-T. What does it stand for?
Specific,
measurable, attainable, realistic,
Time.
Yeah. It's similar to that, but then we have added some more. It's not just 10. When you go to the ACMC, the 3rd module of coaching mastery, this is the first course, right? Once you reach the 3rd level, you will have more criteria of the well-formed. But for now, we will stick with 10. First is stated and represented positively. So it shouldn't start with, I don't need this, or I want to stop doing this. No, it should be, I want to. Okay? In a very positive way. Not I don't want or I want to avoid it. No. I want to. Sensory based or empirical. When I say sensory based or empirical, it has to be in terms of see, hear, feel term. What do I need to see? What do I need to actually hear from someone or me, whatever it is? What do I need to feel in order to actually say that this is, I've actually gotten what I have targeted? Alright, so sensory based. Third, contextualize. Where do I want this? With whom do I want this? Right? So if we backtrack all of this, I want so and so, when I see this, when I hear this, when I feel this, with my wife in 2016 in Bangalore, whatever it is. You getting it? So contextualize and forecast it in a time frame, like a certain time frame, like in a time. Exactly this time of September or whatever it is, I will become an NLP trainer. Without that, it's hard to move. You need to have the time. You just can't do it. And by this time, I need to do my master track, and it has to be done well for master. If you don't do that, it will take you years and years before you do your master track. If you're interested. You getting it? Next, actions, steps, and stages. What are the actions and steps and stages that I need to take in order for me to move from present state A to desired state B? That's a lot of thinking to be done there. Next, self-initiated and maintained. Now when we say self-initiated and maintained, there are many times we have different outcomes that we want, but it's not initiated by us. It's initiated either by your wife, husband, parents, society, or something else. Or environment. Unless it is self-initiated, what happens? In the long run, you will wear out. No stamina. Marathon, I can run the race, you run. Like, to wrestle advertisement. You need energy drink. So it's got to be self-initiated from your highest intention and mission. Next, resources specified. What are the resources I need? Do I need a mentor?